Hi everybody, this is the Planet Earth here. I'm just going to show you that the government is manipulating the weather in Indiana in Princess Lakes, Indiana, near Columbus, Indiana. Okay, so I bring up the map here, and this is the facility. It's called Camp Atterbury, Indiana National Guard. They're shooting aluminum into the sky over the city, and because the winds are coming out of the northwest right now in Dayton, which is not very far. If you look at the map here, you'll see Dayton right over here. So I live very close to it. However, where I'm looking at is called Princess Lakes. And then you have I don't know how to say that. And then you have Camp Atterbury. And somewhere in Camp Atterbury, they're releasing chemicals into the skies. And they're making this by doing it. They're making an actual well, it's not an actual thunderstorm. Chemicals that trick the radar into thinking it's some sort of severe thunderstorm, and it's not. And they are look at this. Look at the national radar. Hold on, let me turn the national radar on. Oops, national radar on. Okay, well, let's see if it loads or not. I guess it doesn't really matter if it loads or not. Guess it doesn't load. Huh. That's strange. Oh well. Anyways, besides that, they're manipulating the weather here. I'll show you that it even shows up on KLIN. I'm going to switch over to KLIN, and you'll still see it there. There it is at the end over there. There's no play button, so... But as you can see, Wilmington, KLIN, and you'll still see that there's some storm activity. But if you look everywhere else, I mean, there's a few flash flood warnings, maybe high excessive heat warnings. Nothing's... Is that a severe thunderstorm watch? Huh. You don't see that every day in Montana. You don't actually see that every day. That's funny. Wow. Crazy. Now, anyways, besides the severe weather there, they're manipulating the weather in Indiana. So, I don't appreciate them doing that. I don't think that's cool or kind or anything. Kind. That's funny. Yeah, so they are manipulating the weather there. So, you know, take it with a grain of salt. They are manipulating the weather here, and it stopped working. That's fine, whatever. The software just sucks anyway. There, leave me alone. Okay, anyways, now, when we switch to KIND, you'll see the severe thunderstorm. It is not a severe thunderstorm, but they are manipulating it. And for some reason, the play buttons are gone. That kind of sucks. So anyways, if you guys got any opinions on why they'd be doing this to the radar systems, and look how it just keeps coming up. You see how it just keeps forming? They keep doing it. Look how it's going all the way down. All those are aluminum particles that they're throwing in the air. Now imagine this being thrown into the air with up in the high end of the sky, and what it does to manipulate the weather. There's not an actual storm, but even the radar system detects a storm track. Look at that. Isn't that weird? It is a little strange to me. That's all I'm going to say. Let's go look for weather.com. See what happens. So, alright. So we're going to go ahead and hit, I don't know. Let's just look at the maps. Alright. So we go look at the maps. And you'll notice that the national radar doesn't pick it up. Of course, it's not going to. You know, it's not going to because it's not rain. Alright, so you don't see it there, but let's see if it allows you to pick up local radars. Radars. Oh, what the fuck is that? That'd be fucked up if that was like that. That would be fucked up. Could you imagine, though, if it was like that? If all that was hitting the United States, that'd be fucked up. Okay, so you don't see anything in this radar system. This is why the Weather Channel sucks. Let's go to Intellicast. Alright, then telecast should pick it up, we think. Guess not. What is Metro Radar? I did! What the heck? Alright, you suck. God damn it, they suck. Look, there's nothing there in Indianapolis, but it also doesn't let you pick up the local radar stations. It won't let you. So they suck too. What the fuck? Oh, they suck. Okay, radar, there. Yeah, it's just not... Wait. Now, wait a second. Look, it detects the severe thunderstorm, but doesn't show it. Look at that. Strong cell. It actually does detect it. It is the only area in this area of the whole Midwest that has a fake thunderstorm. But, surprisingly, it actually does detect it. Right there by Columbus. And then you look at the Weather Underground that allows you to click, or this one right here. You know, this one allows you to get radar from the actual radar station locally. Look at that thing. And let's see if it'll allow you to do anything with that. Nope. If you look at this radar, go to Weather Underground, and then you type in Indiana, Indianapolis. Okay, and then you go down, look at the radar, 78 degrees, and boom, there it is. It just keeps going and going. There it is. So the government is manipulating the radar system, so I don't know if anybody's going to take that with a grain of salt. But they really are manipulating the weather system, so the radar system. So they're throwing aluminum based on what the National Weather Service told me, and it's just a test. I don't know what you guys are going to think of this storm, but or think of this what they're doing there by Princess Lakes in Indiana, but that is not normal. I don't think that is very good. Look at that. It's just continuous. And I don't think that's good at all, to be honest with you. And this radar also detects it. But look how light it is. Yeah, that one's real light. But it still detects it. I don't know if this one will detect it or not. It's too far away. It might detect it. Let's see. It kind of detects it right there. Look at that. Just a little bit. Yeah, it detects it just a little bit. But it's still there. I see the one for Dayton. We kind of detect it. See, it kind of detects it in Dayton. So, yep, there goes the government again, manipulating shit. Don't know why they're doing it. I don't see the purpose of this actual experiment of whatever they're doing. Or whatever. I just don't see the purpose of it. But there it is. So, and here it is on this map. And it's still there. Go ahead and close it. And then reopen it in VMware. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and reload it. Okay, so check this out. I'm going to go ahead and play it. Okay. And, oops. Alright, so check this out. Okay, so check this out right here. Alright, there it is. It just kind of looks severe. I mean, it would be a really severe storm if that was an actual storm. It would be pretty bad. But that's not a storm, and I just don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to tell you people. It's just fucked up. You know, they're throwing all that shit in the air. Luckily, Dayton's over here. We don't have to worry about it. The only people who worry about it is Kentucky. I still don't think that's right for them to be doing this, to be honest with you. Throwing shit up in the air and aluminum particles up in the freaking air. I don't think they should be doing that, to be honest. But that's my opinion. They shouldn't be doing this shit. You see? It's like a continuous thunderstorm forever, but it's not. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, what is your guys' opinions on this? I don't think they've been doing this for the last 2 days now, and I wanted to talk about it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the Planet Earth here. It's just a little strange to me, and it even picks up storm tracks, which is amazing to me. It looks like AO. It says AO, 6,000 feet. No chance of severe hail. Hail, 4 knots. Northwest, 309. 7 kg AM2s and 53 dB AMZs. 0% chance of hail, 0% chance of severe hail, obviously. But it's, you know, it's not looking good, so. But this one is a more advanced radar. Yep. So anyways, whatever you guys think, just tell me what you guys think of this. It's just very interesting. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the Planet Earth here.